Hi everyone, Ventor is in touch, and today we are going to show you how to unpack items from the package. So on one of the previous video, we moved the entire package from one location to another one. If you haven't seen this, please check it here, there, everywhere. So you will see the link. But today we are going to unpack this package. So let's take it out from the shelf. So we have a package with different flour teas inside, and for some reason we decided to unpack everything from the package. So we not need anymore this package to keep it in stock. We just need to unpack everything here and to do it as efficient as possible. So for this we are going to use Ventor PRO application on this nice zebra scanner. So we are going to the quick info menu. The only thing we need to do is just to scan the barcode of the package. So here we can see everything that contains, this package is contained, so actually inside. So in this case, we can check, like, yeah, everything is like here. So the only thing we need to do is click on this button on the very top of the screen. So let's click it, and you can see like unpack. So we're going to unpack everything inside. So do we need to proceed or not? So if you suddenly click on this button, you can click cancel. But if you won't, if you have like intention to do this, so why not? We're clicking OK, and this is it. So now we see only like the empty package. So make sure that you're going to unload everything inside and put it on the shelf where you're going to put it. So actually where this package was. So, and actually this is it. So, and this is it for today. So if you have any questions, you can go to the YouTube section and leave your comments there. So just, or drop us an email, we'll help you. So if you need any help with the inventory management, with any of Ventor Tech products, we would love to help you with this. So just contact us. See you next time and have a good day. Bye.